Welcome to your Farm and Home Show. My name is Joanna Coles, and today we're visiting with Kristin Hildabrand, Warren County Extension Agent for Horticulture. You and your master gardeners are getting off to a great start with a great program.
We are going to be kicking off on January the 27th a winter sowing seeds stratification workshop. And so what that involves, Joanna, is that cold stratification is really important, especially for specific plants. And so with our gardens here on site at the Extension office, with our butterfly habitat, we have been saving a lot of seeds that are going to be native to the area, so that way that people can have in this actual workshop that we're going to be doing later this month in January. So winter sowing is something that since the early 2000s, it's really become really popular, and that was due to an enthusiast. Her name was Trudy Davidoff, actually really popularized this. And so it's really simple to go through some winter sowing. And so what she uses is a milk jug, and in the milk jug she has just some soil media, and so that milk jug kind of acts like a greenhouse. And then you're able to sow some of these seeds that we've collected from our butterfly garden, so that way that you can have it later on. So each plant has to go through cold stratification, and so it has to go through a period of cold, and sometimes for some plants it takes a little bit longer than others. Some takes 30 days, others take 60, 90, 120, so it really just depends on which seed packet that you have. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to walk through this. You're going to understand a lot more about cold stratification and what's needed for those native seeds, and then you're actually going to walk home with this actual, milk jug that's filled of seeds. And so the cost for the program is only $5, but that covers like all of the materials that are involved with it.
And cold stratification is something that is not 100%. You don't have to do it all the time to get your seeds to germinate, but it seems like the germination is better when you do cold stratify the seeds. I know with echinacea, a lot of people are like, I got the seed and then I didn't get any to come up.
Right.
Or they had a poor germination. But this seed stratification just kind of mimics their natural cycle, and it does help more germinate.
If you think about it, the seed heads, after they kind of flower in late summer, early fall, and then they go through the period of the winter where we've got a lot of snow and things like that, it goes through that natural period on its own. But when we're able to do it in a milk jug type greenhouse, then it's going to be just really easy. A lot of times it doesn't require as much, electricity and things like that if we were doing it in its own official greenhouse.
And the milk jug also provides protection, because a lot of times if you were going to sow it in this area, right, for next season, the birds are eating it. We could have rain that washes it away.
I know milkweed has been something that people have said that they, want to get more of. And so if you come to this workshop and you're able to get the seeds, which we have available, then they can take that home and then start their own gardens that way. It's interesting because not only is it done for like herbaceous plants and woody plants like that, and maybe native plants to this area, but you can actually do it with some other crops as well, even like vegetables. And then, sometimes even for flowers, like I know for cut flowers, poppies really need that cold stratification as well. So if you learn this basic concept, I think that it can apply. And really the cold stratification process can be anywhere from, depending on what your schedule is, it can happen in January, February, sometimes March into April. But if you come and learn these basics, then I think it can help you in other areas of your garden area.
Absolutely. And even if you don't use the milk jug, maybe you have more than just one milk jug can hold, you can learn the process. You can do this in your refrigerator, with a coffee filter, and you just kind of moisten it and put your seeds in there, fold it up, put it in some type of plastic bag, label it, and put it in your refrigerator. And that's one way to do it. And then when you're ready to plant, then you can pull them out and it's went through that cold stratification process. So there's many ways of doing this.
Oh, yeah. And so master gardeners are going to be available at the workshop. So if you have questions as we go along, there'll be some packets of information for you to take home as well too, with your, milk jug container. So I think it's going to be a great night of learning. If you want to register, we ask that you contact our office here in Warren County. Our telephone number is 270-842-1681, and then we will collect a $5 fee. It's good if you can pay that in advance, so that way that we can guarantee you a spot, because this is a hands-on workshop. So probably the first 25, 30 people that register, we'll probably have to cap it at a certain amount. It's open to the public. Anybody is welcome. We'd love to have you.
All right, Kristin, thanks for the information, and we appreciate you watching the Farm and Home Show. Have a great day.